So this is the actual different. So we're gonna spin this fidget spinners. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna spin it. Okay, and just like this. Wait.
This is it, Snowball.
Now you see spin it. That's how you spin this one. Down low. Now I'm gonna show you how to spin this one. Alright, sorry guys, because I'm the only one. I need someone holding the camera. Sorry, because I'm holding the camera. To turn off. So just spin it. This way, Here is I'm gonna do this one next. And do it. Here's this one. Now I'm gonna do it. This is all. Here is so pretty. And we're all good. This is our favorite movie.